I'm Ishika.
Hi, I'm Shally.
Hi, I'm Sanvi.
Lindsay.
We are Honda Aviators.
For our problem, we surveyed a few people to understand what is the major constraint in the delivery system today.
Many people answer that the deliveries are late.
Later than expected, more than a month.
Couple days.
Based on these seen problems, Honda Aviator wants to combat these challenges by creating a faster and efficient delivery system through the use of drones, which would also combat climate change by using green energy. To start off the front, we have the homepage, which has the mission statement and about us. And if you go to the top, there's a FAQ section, which implements drop-down menus to reveal the answers, and a contact us page if there's any issues. Going back to the homepage, there is a user and business interface. And if you click business and you log in, you will be able to add a product into our database. And going back to the user page, there is a create an account where you can put in your information to make an account for any of the specific databases. And logging into the user interface, you would be able to add a cart, add any products you want to your cart, and then enter in your billing information to submit your order, and you can track the package through the track page.
Where it's recorded in Python using here API. Now I will put the starting point as New York City, and it should ask me to put the ending location, the destination. I'm putting it as Los Angeles, and it gives me the coordinates and is opening a HTML file. This HTML file has a map on it. It's centered at Columbus because that's my current location. Here is the two locations on the file.
The lessons we learned in the hackathon was the ability to collaborate with people, as usually in CS we code individually, but having the chance in a team was pretty eye-opening. Also, another lesson we learned is to have a clear project before the hackathon so we have more time to code. And lastly, APIs are kind of difficult to learn about, and it requires a lot of research, but overall we believe we've learned a lot in terms of API encoding and gained a lot of experience.
Aviator reduces time taken for deliveries, reduces traffic because drones are used, and helps combat climate change because it uses solar energy. With further funding, we'd be able to create a fully functioning website and use better APIs and build a prototype.